Te Anau School, ko Sadie te ingoa. My name is Sadie. It's Rāmere, the 24th of July.
And Mōrena, ko Esme ahau. I'm Esme. Welcome to the Rāmere report for Sausage Sizzle Friday.
Let's get into te kupu or te wiki. This week's word is maka-riri, which is tenay for cold.
As in maka-riri, tenay okioki, meaning this weekend is cold. It might actually snow.
Alrighty, lunchtime activities. Today, straight after eating from 12:30, there's sports games in the tennis court for all years 1 to 4.
There's Taskmaster challenges in room 9 for everyone, and good old face painting in room 10 for years 0 to 4. Let's go!
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities on the whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Okay, school entry and exit points. A reminder to use gates, please.
Yes, the school office is not an official entry point for students. It is for parents and visitors. Students use gates. Thank you.
Bus students, thank you for marking yourself off yesterday. Ka pai.
Okay, yesterday we had most students using the bike racks. Please remember to park your bikes in the bike racks.
Okay, duty teacher info. For all you keen beans out there, today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mrs. Marsh and Mrs. Hanson.
Well, lunchtime there's Miss Smith and Miss Gamble, Miss Marsh, Mr. Hunter, Miss Bell and Miss Fargo.
Remember, anything you need help with out there, go see a duty teacher. They're here to help.
Birthday news, absolutely none today at Te Anau School, but there's Big Dog in room 10 who turns Snake Eyes 11 tomorrow.
Yep, happy birthday Regan. And Mrs. X still gets the keys to the door, turning 21 tomorrow. Have a great weekend, you two, and rā whānau kia kora for tomorrow.
Lucky Book Club, remember to drop your orders into the office mailbox before Tuesday. Kia ora.
Okay, if you missed any info, check out the note in the description box below. I'm out. Haere
Ka kite tera wiki. See you next week. Piki aka ki te tangata.